I'm going to show you guys exactly to download this because it actually works. It's fully updated and it is super cool. Yo guys, what's going on? Today I'm going to show you a modded version of the game Scatter Slots for iPhone and Android. So as you can see, I'm broke, but in the mod menu I can actually get unlimited gems. So I'm going to turn this on just to show you guys that it actually works. But let's see if it goes up now. So as you can see guys, this is my current stuff in Scatter Slots and it's really pathetic, but I might see more changes coming soon. So let's see what happens to our Scatter Slots game, and hopefully we see a rise. And bang guys, as you can see, it's going up. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this modded version of Scatter Slots for iPhone and Android. So let's get straight into the tutorial and I'm going to show you how to do it. Alright, first step, we're going to go onto the website tweakmod.com, and then the next step is going to be going to the search bar and we're going to type scatter, press install, and bang. Now before it downloads, there is going to be a verification. This is the last step. It's just download 2 different apps which are from the App Store and they're completely free. So I'm just going to wait for it to load. So let's just give it a second, as you can see, and then we're going to have a Scatter Slots hack. So that's so wild, bro. Oh my gosh. So this actually works, and yeah, it's really updated and everything, so you guys can use it right away. So let's just give it a second to load. Gonna be all set. So as you can see, it's gonna say missing files, and you just want to download 2 of these apps. Follow instructions. You don't have to do the same as me, but like Family Island says reach level 11, so I could do that. I could do Winzo Play, Underdog, which says download for 30 seconds. So yeah, whatever guys. Just make sure you download 2 of the apps, follow the instructions, and you'll have a Scatter Slots hack on your phone. So yeah, it's really cool guys. I'm going to see you in another video, but yeah, definitely try it out for yourself because a lot of people hate on me, but I'm providing nothing but real videos for gamers alike. So peace out guys, this is so neat.